What's up, y'all? So today I'm coming at y'all with a really quick video about my 5 tips for starting a garden. Okay, so just to keep it real with y'all, gardening is hard work. Okay, it's a lot of sweating, it's a lot of heat, a lot of cold, a lot of bugs. That's just what it is. It's a lot, but don't let that discourage you. My top 5 tips, let's jump into it. Number 1, pray about it. Set your intentions, do your thing, and keep it moving. Number 2, simple is best. I mean, if you're doing a whole lot, like if you plan too many things, you may get overwhelmed. Number 3, plant the seeds that you like to eat. Look, ain't no need in planting no tomatoes and stuff like that if you don't eat tomatoes. You may not put enough love into that plant, or into that harvest. So if you don't eat it, I mean, that's just my opinion. Okay. Number 4, be attentive. You gotta stay committed. You gotta go check on it. You gotta go talk to it. You gotta water it. You gotta chop it. You gotta pull weeds. It's a lot of stuff that come with it, but that's just what it is. Okay, last but not least, number 5, keep an open mind about it. Some stuff might grow and it might do amazing, and some stuff just ain't gonna grow. All your stuff may grow the first time. That would be awesome, but let's just face it, crops have like this whole regional thing going on for a reason. Stuff grows better here than it does say on the East Coast. I'm in the state of Tennessee, so yeah, just keep an open mind about it. Do your thing. Don't let nobody discourage you, and go for it. Grow you some food. It's 2020. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see y'all next time.